There's a breaking update coming in of a shocking accident that has been caught on camera, and that happened in Gurugram. As far as this biker unfortunately died post this collision with the SUV, and this latest as what we are getting to know that the accused has been released on bail. He was driving on the wrong side of the road. This is a 23-year-old motorcyclist who's been killed, and this young biker, Priyank is with us right now, was hit by an SUV driving on the wrong side of the road in Gurugram's DLF Phase 2, and shockingly, the accused driver managed to get bail, Priyank.
Yes, certainly, Amita. This is what Times now has time and again pointing out that there is a need to amend the Motor Vehicle Act. If you look at the visual, the vehicle black color, which had a Bihar registration number, which also had a sticker of a political party, which is Bharatiya Janata Party, on the bonnet of it, was driven from the wrong side. Later to that, the accused got down from the vehicle, and there were two boys who were there. Approximately, they could be around 20 to 25 years of age. They were also seen trying to help the victim, but the victim's friend was also confronting him that how can you drive the vehicle from the wrong side? While talking about the social media outrage which is happening after the incident has gone viral on Times Now, the social media platform, the fact of the matter is that in Motor Vehicle Act, these are bailable offences, which is certainly, unfortunately, need to be highlighted. Starting from, 10 years back, we have been campaigning against the change in the Motor Vehicle Act, which is certainly once again seen. This is a kind of incident which we often talk about, that there was an incident of accident and people, were given bail. But this being caught on camera has shaken the conscience of everyone, and people are actually talking about the amendment.
Well, the motorcyclist unfortunately has lost his life there, Priyank, but on both sides, if you take a look, as far as when it comes to the bike that was apparently speeding, and on the other side, it was on the wrong side. As we take a look at this SUV, when directly it smashed into it, that unfortunately killed the 23-year-old motorcyclist, and this entire scenario that has been caught on a camera of another motorcyclist as well. Thank you very much, Priyanka, for joining us here on the Morning News Hour as it continues on the other side of a very short break. Don't go away. Of course, we'll be getting you some very interesting pictures that are now coming in. Stay tuned.